Best deals.
1. Jar opener. Is made of stainless steel and solid plastic handle that will last and not rust. Sweet gifts for those with weak or arthritis hands. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tadka pan. Designed for preparing tadka, melting butter, reheating small quantities of food or quick heating of flavorful spices. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Smoothie blender. This rechargeable portable blender comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery supporting up to 15 blends per charge, making it the ideal battery blender portable for smoothies, juices, shakes, and protein drinks. Easily charge via USB-C using power banks, laptops, or car adapters. A true portable smoothie blender and mini blender portable designed for travel, gym, office, or outdoor use. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Containers. Airtight steel 1 kg container is designed to maintain optimal freshness by locking out air and moisture. The leak-proof, airtight lid ensures your food stays protected, making it ideal for fridge storage and kitchen organization, especially for snacks and leftovers. The sleek design of our steel container with lid adds modern elegance to your kitchen. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Storage bag. Can be used to store lehengas, saris, toys, accessories, home items, undergarments and beyond. Your ultimate storage organizer. Bags are lightweight and makes it easy to locate. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Salt and pepper shakers. Has rotating dials to adjust the size of the holes, making it easy to grasp and control the amount of salt cellar for a precise and simple sprinkling of flavor on your favorite foods. Shakers are ideal for home, restaurant, cafe, deli, camp and canteen. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Steamer. Equipped with 2 food, egg tray for boiling up to 16 eggs at a time or steaming vegetables, meat or fish. Comes with extra layer rack for steaming at 2 levels. Crafted with a stainless steel body and heating plate. Comes with a food-grade egg boiling rack, poaching tray, and transparent lid. Comes with measuring cup with piercing pin. Piercing the eggs with the pin prevents eggs from cracking while getting boiled. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Spice rack. Has carousel design for easy access to spice collection. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic. Easy to use jars with 3 holes and easily twistable lids. Easy to clean, refillable jars compatible with dishwasher use. Keeps spices fresh and free from odor. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dishcloths. With the robust silver fiber web technology, this wire dish washing rag offers the cleaning power of steel wool but without scratches. Perfect for burned out food residues in pans or stubborn oil spots on stove plates, protects surfaces and is even suitable for sensitive cookware. A must-have for gentle but thorough cleaning. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Grinder. Lets you grind effortlessly with one hand or both, making it perfect for quick seasoning or larger cooking tasks. Features 6 precise grind settings, from superfine to coarse, with an ultra-sharp ceramic mechanism that won't corrode, ideal for salt, pepper, and spices of all types. Clever angled body and crumb-catching lip mean no pepper dust on your counter. Durable ceramic grinder ensures clean use and long-lasting performance, wide-mouthed for simple refills, and flat-bottomed for stability. Check spice levels easily through the clear body. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Kneading bag. Ideal for both amateur bakers and seasoned chefs, this kneading bag can handle a variety of dough types, from bread and pizza to cookies and pastries, streamlining the baking process and enhancing culinary creativity. Designed to contour seamlessly around dough. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cloth drying stand. Crafted from robust alloy steel, this clothes stand for drying is durable and designed to support a range of clothes, towels, and linens. It measures 75 centimeters in width, 37.5 centimeters in depth, and 11 centimeters in height when open, providing ample drying space. Free up floor space with its foldable design. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Serving tray. Multi-compartment design has divided sections to neatly arrange different fruits, snacks, or desserts. The bottom container holds ice cubes to keep fruits and snacks fresh and cool for hours. Transparent lid with lock, airtight lid with side locks preserves freshness and prevents spills. Ideal for fruits, dry fruits, salads, snacks, desserts, candies, or even for festive serving. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Filter coffee maker. Crafted with precision, a filter coffee maker steel is designed for coffee enthusiasts. It provides a robust brewing process, capturing the rich flavors of traditional South Indian coffee with every use. Made using premium stainless steel, this filter is built to last and resists corrosion, helping maintain a consistent coffee brewing experience over time. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Window glass cleaner. It cleans the outside of your windows while staying in your room. Strong absorption force. High quality plastic material, practical, solid, anti-drop and durable. Double-sided design, strong magnetic, very safe and convenient. Cleans the outside of your windows while staying in your room. Glides along the glass to result a dry, streak-free and gleaming window. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Toilet roll hanger. Made from premium natural bamboo and jute rope, this toilet paper holder offers a sustainable and stylish. Adds a warm, earthy touch to your bathroom. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Garlic crusher. Feels great in the hand and looks amazing, even its elegant, cardboard packaging makes it a perfect gift for anyone, 100% dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Crinkle knife. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel blade and non-stick black coating for smooth, precise cutting. Unique crinkle blade design creates attractive ripple slices for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, fruits, cheese, and more. Anti-slip handle ensures safe and comfortable cutting, reducing strain during long cooking sessions. Ideal for making French fries, salad toppings, vegetable garnishes, chocolate shavings. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Water jug. The insulation minimizes heat exchange, so your beverages stay cold longer and the jug remains comfortable to hold without condensation forming on the outside. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Steam iron. This 2-in-1 steamer for clothes can be a normal iron or a steamer iron to meet different ironing needs. When you plug in the steamer without pressing the button, then you will get an iron. After pressing the button, you can use it as a steamer. It is highly recommended to use steamer mode, which has a better effect than iron. You can put it into your suitcases and backpacks without taking up too much space. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Sink organizer. Designed as an expandable sink organizer, this rack features an extendable frame to fit a wide range of sink sizes. Whether you are outfitting a compact kitchen or a spacious wash area, this kitchen sink rack or sink rack for kitchen can be resized to match your needs. Built with separate compartments and hooks. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Plates. Crafted from sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled plastic, or wheat straw, offering a guilt-free alternative to disposable options. Lightweight and impact-resistant. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Boxes. Can also be used in various areas of your home, providing a versatile storage solution for different accessories and items. These can be used as makeup organizer, equipped with an expandable feature, allowing for easy adjustment to fit. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. T-shirt flip fold. It only takes a few simple steps and a few seconds to fold clothes and towels. Even children will want to use this folding board to organize their clothes. Make boring tidying up work easy and fun. Very suitable for travel, it can be easily put into a suitcase, and the clothes can be perfectly folded during vacation, so that the clothes are no longer wrinkled in a ball. Designed with high quality, strong and flexible PP resin material, the folding board is durable and will not break over time. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle after years of use. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Ceramic Fondue Set. Crafted from pristine white ceramic with a sleek, ergonomic fondue pot and stand, the set combines sophistication and practicality, adding a stylish touch to any occasion. Perfect for dipping fresh fruits, artisan bread, or sweets into rich chocolate or creamy cheese fondue, making it ideal for intimate gatherings or cozy nights in. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Snap-on button. Equipped with high-quality sticky pads that bond firmly to most surfaces including fabric, wood, plastic, and glass, ensuring a tight grip that prevents slipping, shifting, or loosening over time. Made from durable, wear-resistant materials. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Sink Sponge Holder. Easy to hang over your kitchen or bathroom faucet, no drilling or suction cups required. Ideal for organizing sponge, soap, and brush near the sink. Crafted from rust-resistant, thick stainless steel for long-lasting performance in wet environments like sinks and bathrooms. Thickened steel construction offers excellent weight support. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Travel Toothbrush Case. Portable and lightweight, great for traveling, camping, road trip, business trip and home use. Store and organize your toothbrush and toothpaste. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Bamboo Sushi Mat. Rolls into a tidy cylinder to shape the rice, seaweed, veggies, and seafood that make up. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Dishcloth. The scrubbing side is often equipped with a non-scratch abrasive material, like nylon or scouring pad, which helps remove food particles without damaging delicate surfaces. The sponge's absorbent side is effective at soaking up liquids and spills, making it useful for wiping down surfaces and dishes. Designed with ergonomic shapes and grips to provide a comfortable and secure hold during use. Quality sponges are built to be durable and long-lasting, resisting wear and tear from repeated use. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Organizer. Specially designed to neatly organize thalis, dinner plates, and steel platters. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Microfiber Mop. All detachable and interchangeable on a single stainless steel handle. Perfect for home, kitchen, bathroom, office and every corner. Super absorbent microfiber pads clean marble, tile, granite, wooden laminate floors in one swipe. Use wet for deep mopping or dry for daily dusting. TPU wiper blade instantly dries bathroom and kitchen floors, removing 99% water for a streak-free, slip-free, shiny finish. No bucket needed for quick cleaning. The 360-degree swivel mop. Head reaches under beds, sofas, cupboards and tight spaces effortlessly. Telescopic stainless steel rod adjusts from 3 to 5 feet to suit your height, clean comfortably while standing upright. Perfect for elderly users, pregnant women and anyone with back problems. Heavy-duty construction supports daily mopping. Built-in grime scraper removes sticky stains, dried food and bathroom scum without chemicals. Broom brush collects hair, crumbs and pet fur from corners. Flexible microfiber duster bends 180 degrees to clean ceiling fans, AC vents, windows, glass, furniture tops and cobwebs where hands can't reach. Engineered with premium SS304 stainless steel reinforced ABS connectors and machine washable, reusable microfiber pads that save money on refills. Tested for daily Indian home use, handles wet mopping, bathroom cleaning and tough floor scrubbing without bending or breaking. Durable, sturdy and lasts years. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Toiletry Bag. Kit includes a spacious toiletry pouch for men and women and a set of 3 leak-proof, food-grade refillable travel bottles. A unique combination designed to meet all your toiletries organizer needs. This travel toiletry bag offers multiple compartments and pockets for easy organization of cosmetics, skincare, shaving kits, brush, medicines, gadgets and travel accessories for woman and man. The travel bottle kit for toiletries is ideal for dispensing lotions, conditioners, shampoos, liquid soaps, gels, sunscreens, food items and more, making it perfect for travel kit for women or toiletry bag for men travel kit. The toiletry bag for women travel features a convenient handle and hook for easy hanging. The refillable bottles, 60 ml each, offer a compact, eco-friendly solution to store your liquid toiletries without the mess. Perfect for your traveling kit. Made from premium quality materials, this toiletry pouch is waterproof, lightweight, and easy to clean, ensuring toiletries pouch stands up to daily use and keeps your toiletries safe during travel. The travel organizer pouch for toiletries is compact, making it easy to pack, and features durable, eco-friendly materials. Ideal for storing your travel toiletries neatly and securely. The set of 3 refillable travel bottles guarantees a secure, spill-proof solution for your liquid toiletries, perfect for packing in your suitcase or carry-on. And essential toilet bags for travel accessory. Included digital travel packing guide crafted by seasoned travel enthusiasts to make your packing stress-free and ensure you are always prepared for your travels. Refer registration card included in package. Product link is given in the 33rd link.